Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum all of you. Hope you are fine and good. Welcome to Snai School System. I am your English teacher, Mr. Veria, and today we are going to learn some part of grammar that are masculine, feminine, singular, plural, and simile. So let's start studying. First of all, you have to know that what are masculine, feminine, and how we use them. So masculine nouns are the names of men, boys, and male animals. Whenever we are talking about any male person, any male animal, so that is considered as masculine. For example, father, prince, brother, horse, etc. And the feminine nouns are the names of women, girls, and female animals. Whenever we are talking about any female person, any female animal, so that are considered as feminine. For example, mother is the feminine of father. Princess is the feminine of prince. Sister is the feminine of brother. And mare is the feminine of horse. Horse is the male one and mare is the female horse. Clear? So these are the examples of masculine, feminine. Now comes towards your workbook, page number 25, that are masculine, feminine. So there are some nouns given that are masculine and we have to write their feminine. The first one is he. He, whenever we are talking about any male person, we use he, and when we are talking about any female person, we use she. So she is the feminine of masculine. The next one is brother, sister, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, man, woman, nephew, niece. Again repeat it, nephew, niece, horse, mare, cock, hen, peacock, peahen, grandfather, grandmother. So these are the masculine, feminine. I am going to repeat them. He, she, brother, sister, uncle, aunt, prince, princess, man, woman, nephew, niece, horse, mare, cock, hen, peacock, peahen, grandfather, grandmother. Clear? Now comes towards singular, plural. Singular means one. Whenever we are talking about one thing, that is singular noun. For example, monkey. Here we have one monkey, so it is singular noun. And the plurals means more than one. So when we are talking about more than one things, that are plural nouns. For example, monkeys. There are so many monkeys. So these are the plural of the single monkey. Here is a rule for doing singular plural. To form the plurals of most singular nouns, we add s. This means that whenever we are talking about singular plural, whenever we have to make the plurals of the nouns, we have to add s. Clear? Now these are the singular plurals from your workbook. Car, cars. These are the nouns. We simple add s at the end of each singular. हमने सबके end पे सिर्फ s लगा देना है to make them plural. Clear? Car, cars. Mat, mats. Gun, guns. Lamp, lamps. Gate, gates. Cave, caves. Cave means war. So caves means lot of war. Clear? Bun, buns. Bee, bees. Flower, flowers. Train, trains. Umbrella, umbrellas. Pilot, pilots. Kite, kites. Flask, flasks. Clear? So these are the plurals of singular noun. Now come towards page number 26, that is simile. Now what is simile? A comparison of two things by using words like or as. For example, as tall as a giraffe. It means that whenever we are going to compare two things, जब भी हमने दो चीज़ों को कंपेयर करना है तो हमने उसको कंपैरिजन शो करवाने के लिए दो वर्ड यूज़ करने हैं, दैट इज़ लाइक और एज. एंड इन दिस एग्जाम्पल, एज टॉल एज जिराफ, जिराफ की तरह लंबा. सो वेन एवर वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट एनीथिंग टॉल, वी कंपेयर इट विद जिराफ. नाउ कम टूवर्ड्स योर वर्कबुक. The first one is as proud as a peacock. Now peacock is considered as the most proudy animal of the world because of its beauty. So whenever we are talking about any proudy thing, we compare it with peacock. As good as gold. Yes, gold, sona. Gold is very good. So we compare it good as a gold. As green as grass. Whenever we are talking about any green thing, we compare it with grass because grass is green in color. As cold as ice. Yes, ice is very cold, so we compare any cold thing with ice. As easy as ABC. Now you are in class 2, you already have studied ABC in class prep, so it is very easy. So whenever we are going to compare any easy thing, we compare it with A, B, C. The sixth one, as quick as lightning. Yes, have you ever seen lightning on the sky? It's very quick. It came and it's at the spot, it's gone. So as quick as lightning. As round as a ball. Whenever we are talking about round thing, so we compare it with ball. As white as milk. Whenever we are talking about any white thing, so we compare it with milk. As light as a feather. Feather is par. The feather of any bird that is very light in weight. So whenever we are talking about any light thing, we compare it with feather. As busy as a bee. As you know that bee is very busy in making honey. So whenever we are going to compare any busy person, any busy thing, so we compare it with bee. So these are the similes. Now come towards your diary. Learn these masculine, feminine, singular, plural and simile. Do its practice on your rough register and learn it very carefully. Okay, Allah Hafiz.